What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different type of video. I'm going to be reviewing the Strongway electric chainsaw sharpener off of Northern Tool. So, going to do a little unboxing here. Let's see what we got. Alright, I'm going to assemble this and then I'll be back with you. Alright guys, so I just got her set up and mounted here, and I in the manual here comes with all the different angles and depths and different things that you need for your chains. So I just got mine set up. To mount it up, it was only really a couple bolts, and so it was pretty simple, but I've got it set up here and I'm getting a couple chains. So yeah, they're coming out pretty sweet. So right there you can see it's a pretty beat up chain, and I'm going to show you what it looks like after you sharpen it. So that is the same tooth that I just sharpened. You can just tell. Get it in focus here. That it is nice and razor sharp again. Alright guys, there you have it. This is the Strongway electric chainsaw sharpener. I bought it off a Northern Tool for, I think it was like $100, maybe a little bit cheaper, $90, something like that. So it beats spending $10 on getting your chain sharpened. I can do them whenever I want now, and I saved money in the long run. So I got a pile of chains to do. So I hope you like this video, and yeah, it's got my approval. So thanks for watching.